Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to sew a lounge pants using my ivy pants pattern. This pants is super high-waisted, which helps me look good even when I'm sitting. The ivy loungewear set includes a bralette, a kimono, and a pants. If you're interested, please check out the description box down below or my website thedressmaker.org. Now, let's get started. First, place the front pieces right side together and sew at the crotch line. Finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. Do the same for the back pieces. Pin the front and back pieces right side together at the side seams and the crotch line. Sew at the side seams and the inseam. Finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. And press the seam flat. Fold the waistband in half, right side together and sew. Press the seam open. Pin the waistband to the pants. Right sides together and sew them together. And press the seam flat. Turn the pants to the wrong side. Fold the raw edge of the waistband 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Fold the waistband in half and pin, match at the stitch line. Sew as close to the folding edge as possible. Leave a small hole open. Put a safety pin on one end of the elastic. Through the small hole, pull the elastic through the waistband. Overlap both ends of the elastic and sew them together. Sew the hole closed. Top stitch to secure the elastic to the waistband. Pull the elastic so the waistband is flat while sewing. Sew about 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch next to the first stitch line. To finish the hemline, finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. Fold 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Sew and press. Et voila! Here is your Ivy lounge pants. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and able to make a lounge pants for yourself. For more sewing videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and check out our website thedressmaker.org. Thank you so much and hope to see you again next time. Happy sewing!